Hey guys, welcome back to the classes. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe with your family. Since we are in enterprise structure and we still left with two more components to complete, so let's do that in today's video. We need to type SPRO in transaction box, then go to the implementation guide, then expand the enterprise structure, go to the definition. So from the quick recap standpoint, I have given the complete view on the financial accounting, controlling, logistic, sales and distribution. Today I am going to complete material management. So let's expand material management. Under material management, we need to complete two steps. One is storage location, another one is purchasing organization. For the definitions, we can still use the documentation tab, but just for your quick reference, storage location is the location within the plant to store goods physically, and purchasing organization is the organization who is responsible to procure the goods, make the negotiations with the vendor, etc. So that is my purchasing organization. So let's create the storage location within the plant. So since this storage location will get created under plant, so we need to provide the plant detail here. So let me pick RCC2 my plant, then go to the new entry, then I can create the storage location here. Okay, so provide the storage location, then description, hit enter, select the line and then double click on the storage locations. Click on the new entry, provide the code, maybe I can say RCT2, hit enter, then provide the address or the information requested by the system. Okay, so for class I am just keeping rest of the things blank and I have just provided only mandatory fields. Okay, so click OK, then try to save the record, provide your CR number. That's all. So you have successfully created storage location for your plant RCC2. Okay, then if I'll go back one more, then I'm going to create purchasing organization. So very simple, click the new entry, provide the code. So I can say I'm going to create RCC3 as a my purchasing organization, and this is going to be for RCC2 company code. Okay, so hit enter, save the records, provide the CR. That's all. You have created your purchasing organization as well. In my next video, I'm going to cover logistic execution, where we need to complete warehouse number, then shipping point, loading point, transportation planning point. So till the time, stay tuned with me, do the practice. In case if you have any question or any query, then please send me that query over the email, or you can also use the chat section as well. Thank you so much for listening me, and stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.